Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson squares and square roots. Now coming to the next topic, the approximate value of the square roots of a natural numbers which are not perfect squares. In the earlier two examples we have learned to find out the square root of a natural number in decimal, but they were perfect squares. But here they are not perfect squares. Now the question is, find out the square root of 3. You know 3 is not a perfect square up to 3 decimal places. Okay. So for that what we have to do is put the line and now 3 point, okay, decimal places. So 0, 3 it will be. Now 3 decimal, but we have to find out the answer up to 4 decimals, then round off. So this is for first decimal, this is for second decimal, this is for third decimal, and this is for fourth decimal. So we have to find out the answer up to 4 decimal places and then round off to 3 decimal places. Okay. So extra zeros we have to put. Now 3 means 2 2s are 4. So we have to put 1 and put the decimal place. 1 1s are 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Bring these 2 zeros down. Now add 1. You will get 2. 2 how much are 20? Means 2 you have to put 9, isn't it? So calculate. 9. 9s are 81. 9 2s are 18, 19, 20 and 26. So it is bigger. Try with 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 2s are 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 22. Again it is big. So try with 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Is it? Yes. So you can put 7. So you got 1, 8, 9. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. Now here it is 9 minus 8, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Bring these 2 zeros down. Now add 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 1 plus 2, 3. Now 2 decimal, 2 digits, 4 digits. So 3 how much are 11? 3 4s are 12, but 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 10. Is it? Yes. So you can put 3. 3. You got the answer 1029. Now subtract. 10 minus 9, 1. Now here it is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now bring these 2 zeros down. Now add this 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 as it is, 3 as it is. Now 3 digits, 4 digits. So you have to ask with only 1 digit, isn't it? 3 how much are 7? 3 2s are 6. So 3 4 6 as it is and put 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8 9. 2 3s are 6. So you got 6 9 2 4. Can you put? Yes. So put here 2. Now you got 6 9 2 4. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. Now here it is 10, 0 means 10 minus 9, 1. 6 minus 6, 0. Now bring these 2 zeros down. Next step, add 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 6 as it is, 4 as it is, 3 as it is. Now here there are 4 digits, here 5 digits. So we have to ask only 1 digit. 3, how much? 1. Zeros, isn't it? Even if we put 1, it will be bigger. So that is why it is 0. So 0. This is no need of finding the remainder and all. That's all. Now the answer, square root of 3 is equal to 1.7320. That means 1.732 up to 3 decimal places. They are not perfect squares. That is why we have to write like this. Is it clear? So we have completed example 18. Now coming to example 19. Again, they are not perfect squares. But here the question is square root of 2 1 by 5. 2 1 by 5 means it is a mixed number. So convert into the improper fraction. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. Now convert this into decimal. 5 2s are 10. Decimal place, 1 is remaining, take extra 0. So 5 2s are 10. So you got square root of 2.2. Hope you understood this step. This is extra step. जब भी मिक्स नंबर देंगे, इम्प्रॉपर में कन्वर्ट करो, फिर उसको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करो. कभी कभी बड़े डेसिमल प्लेसेस भी आते हैं, तो you have to find out, convert the mixed number into the decimal number. Now the usual method, 2.2. Okay, either whole number side. Now they have told 2 decimal place, so we have to find out up to 3 decimal. So this is for first decimal, this is for second decimal, and this is for the third decimal. Okay. Now this number is 2. So we can put only 1. Yes or no? So 1 1s are 1. You got 1 as the remainder. Now bring this 20 down. Add 1. You got 2. Now 2 how much are? 12. So if you try, 2 6 are 12, isn't it? So 6 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12, 13 14 15. Not possible. So 25 5s are, try with 5. You know 25 5s are 125. Not possible. Try with 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8, 9. Yes, you can put 4. Now decimal, here there is decimal, put the decimal and then proceed. So it is 4, you got 96. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now here it is a 1, means 11 minus 9 is 2. Bring these 2 zeros down. Now add this 4. 4 plus 4, 8, and this 2. And now 2 digits and 4 digits. 2 how much are? 24. So it is a try with 9, isn't it? 9 9s are 81. 9 8s are 72 plus 8, 80. 9 2s are 18, 19, 20, 26. You got 2601, not possible. Try with 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64 plus 6, 70. 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23. So you got 2304. So we have to put which number? 8. Hope everyone is understanding. So 288 into 8 is 2304. Now subtract 10 minus 4 is 6. Here 9 is remaining. 9 minus 0, 9. 3 minus 3, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Now bring these two zeros down. Add 8. You get 8 plus 8, 16. 1 plus 8, 9 and 2. So you got 2, 9, 6. Now 2 how much are 9? 2 4s are. Try with 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 6s are 24, 25. 4 9s are 36, 37, 38. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. Not possible. Try with 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 6s are 18. 3 9s are 27, 28. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. So you got 8, 8, 8, 9. Yes. So it is 3 and 3. 2, 9, 3, 3 into 3. You got 8, 8, 8, 9. Now write the answer. Square root of 2 1 by 5 is equal to how much? 1.483. Now 3 is small, so it will be 1.48 up to 2 decimal places. Hope everyone understood. So sometimes you will get a bigger number, you know. If it is 5 or more than 5, then it will become 49, 1.49. So that is why we have to take one step ahead. So we have completed the example 19, and these two are not perfect squares, isn't it? In decimals we have found the answer. Now coming to the example 20, it is estimation method. Which is the method? Estimation method to find out the square root. So square root of 10. You know, 10 is not a perfect square. This method is little bit lengthy, but understand and you have to solve, okay? So 10, it's not a perfect square, and it comes between which two perfect squares? First you see that. So 10 comes in between 9 and 16. 9 is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square. Now 9, whose square is it? It is 3 square. And 10, and it is of 4 square. Okay, it comes between 3 and 4 square. 3 square and 4 square. So you don't know, might be between 3 and 4, means in the decimals. So first you find out the exact in between 3 and 4 के बीच में, exact बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 3.5. So 3.5 into 3.5 करेंगे तो आपको आएगा आंसर 12.25. you have to find out 3.5 square. So you'll get 12.25. Okay. Now 12.25 is to the right of 10, isn't it? 10 से बड़ा है. So in 9 as it is, 10, now 12.25. That means it is between 3 square and 3.5 square. Yes or no? So 10 is between 3 square and 3.5 square. Now 12.25 मतलब और नीचे लेकर आने का है ना. 3.5 मतलब 12.25. सो 10 के नज़दीक लेकर आने के लिए हम ट्राई करेंगे 3.4, 3.3 ऐसे कर सकते हैं. बट we will try for, because it is a large difference is there. So try with the 3.2. So 3.2 into 3.2, when you multiply, you will get 10.24. You will get how much? 10.24. Again, it is more than 10. So that means it is between 9 and 10.24. So 10 is between 9 and 10.24. That means it is between which squares? So 3 square and 3.2 square. Is it clear? Now it is exact between which two numbers? So we will try with 3.1. Just 3.2 is just more than 10. So it is a 3.1. Try with that. So you will be getting 9.61. When you multiply, you will get 9.61. Means it is lesser than 10. So 10 comes between which all two numbers? 9.61 and 10.24. That means it is between 3.1 square and 3.2 square. So 10 is between 3.1 square and 3.2 square. Now, which number is nearest? See, this is estimation method. We don't want the exact answer. It is approximate. And one decimal only is enough. So, we will see which number is nearest to 10. So, 10.24. First is 10.24 minus 10. You got how much? 0.24. Now, 10 and 9.61. When you subtract, you get 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. And here, 0. Means it is between 10 and 3.1, you have got only 0.39. And between 10 and 3.2, the difference is, it is how much? 0.24. So, कौन सा नंबर नज़दीक है? 24 है ना, तो कम डिफरेंस है. सो क्या करने का है? 10 एंड जो नंबर ये और इसका डिफरेंस कितना देखने का है. पहले इसका डिफरेंस देखो और इसका डिफरेंस देखो, कौन नज़दीक है. सो इट इज 10.24 इज नियरेस्ट. मीन्स 3.2 is the approximate answer. मतलब इसका स्क्वायर रूट क्या है? 3.2 है ना, 10.24 का. So right answer, because 3.2 square is nearest to 10, we are writing that. So square root of 10 is equal to approximately 3.2. Is it clear? So we have to first find out in between which two numbers it is and their square roots, and then the middle number that is in decimal you have to see. Okay, then which is the nearest one. So बहुत सारे ऐसे स्टेप्स करते करते जाने का है. Okay, now coming to the next example, it is a 410, square root of 410. आप लोगों को स्क्वायर का सब याद है 30 तक, तो इजी पड़ता है. ठीक है. Now 410 comes between 400 and 441. That means 400 किसका स्क्वायर है? 20 and 441 21 का. इतना तो याद है. स्टार्टिंग स्टेप ये, मतलब 20 और 21 के बीच में. तो इसका मतलब नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या करने का है? 20.5 is exactly between 20 and 21. So try with the 20.5 into 20.5. मतलब 20.5 का स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करो. So you get 420.25. So 420 means it is to the right of 410. So 410 is between 400 and 420.25. That means 400 किसका है? 20 का स्क्वायर है. 410 is between 20 square and 20.5 square. Now 420 is very big. So we can try 420 and 410, isn't it? The difference is more. So you can directly think of a 20.3. Okay, 20.3. 4 नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि डिफरेंस है इसके लिए 3 into 20.3. So you got the answer when you multiply 412.09. 412.09 means it is again to the right side. So 410 is between 400 and 412.09. That means 410 is between 20 square and 412 किसका है? 20.3 square. Now check with, it is almost near, isn't it? 10 and 12. So try with the 1 decimal less, 20.2. So it will be, how much answer is 408.04. You got how much? 408.04 means it is less than 410. So now 410 is between 408.04 and 412.09. Hope everyone is understanding. That means it is between 408 किसका है? 20.2 square and 20.3 square. 1 डेसिमल के डिफरेंस में आया है ना. अभी नेक्स्ट क्या करने का है? डिफरेंस. कौन सा डेसिमल नजदीक है? चलो अभी देखेंगे डिफरेंस. सो 410 बड़ा है ना. 410 minus 408.04. 10 minus 4 6. Here you got 9 and 9 minus 8 1. नेक्स्ट इट इज 412 है ना, इसके बीच में 412.09 एंड 410 मीन्स यू गॉट इज 2.09। मतलब कौन सा नजदीक है, ये नजदीक है ना, मतलब 408.04 इज नियर, दैट मीन्स इट इज 20.2। ये स्टेप समझ में आया। ये दोनों में से कौन सा नंबर 410 को नजदीक है, तो उसके लिए आप लोग ये डिफरेंस देखते हैं। सो 1.96 इज लेस देन 2.09। सो ये किसका डिफरेंस है, 410 एंड 408.04 का, तो इट इज 20.2 is nearest. So answer square root of 410 is equal to approximately 20.2. Hope everyone understood the estimation method. So for estimation method, it is a one decimal place. Answer is approximately in one decimal place. For that we have to find out. अंदाजा लगाकर, तो पहले दोनों नंबर के इन बिटवीन कौन से स्क्वायर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर के बीच में आता है वो देखने का। उसके बाद वो दोनों परफेक्ट स्क्वायर के बीच का जो डेसिमल प्लेस है उसका स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करो। See whether it is to the right or to the left, and then if it is to the right you decrease the numbers, the decimal place को कम करते उसका स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करो। If it is to the left then it is a what you have to increase, तो उसके नजदीक आते आते सीधी, it has to come between two decimal places, then you see the difference between the two. Okay, bye, thank you.